Hello, you're listening to The Wire's daily coronavirus updates. Today is the 5th of June. India has reported just under 10,000 new cases today. The total number of confirmed cases in the country moved towards the tally of Italy. According to official data, there are over 226,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases in the country, of which over 1 lakh are active or currently under medical supervision. Over 6,000 people have died due to the viral infection in India, while over 1 lakh have been cured or discharged. 20 Delhi Metro staff officials staying in Delhi NCR have tested positive for coronavirus. Even as DMRC operations are shut, many officials have been coming to office or to station premises for administrative work. Globally, the situation of the pandemic in Russia and Brazil seems to be worsening. Russia reported 8,000 new cases of the novel coronavirus on Friday, pushing the total number of infections to over 4,49,000. Officials have said that 144 people died in the last 24 hours, bringing the nationwide death toll to over 5,000. The number of coronavirus deaths in Brazil blew past Italy's toll on Thursday, whereas Mexico reported a record number of new cases as regional leaders in Latin America pushed to end quarantine measures and kick their economies back into gear. Latin America as a whole has become a new focus of the coronavirus pandemic. Health officials are urging governments to not open their economies too fast to avoid public crowds. According to a news report by Tora Agarwal, Meghalaya on Thursday announced that the state will consider everyone an asymptomatic carrier of the virus by default. The Health Department of Meghalaya has said that this is a proactive measure adopted to prevent the threat of community transmission by acting as though community transmission is already happening. Meghalaya Health Department's order also noted that 80% of the positive cases of COVID-19 are asymptomatic and cannot be ascertained without testing. Therefore, it would be apt to assume that everybody by default is an asymptomatic carrier of the virus. With 7 frontline workers from Health Department testing positive for COVID-19 in Goa, there is a fear that the viral infection might travel to the interiors of the state. State health authorities had confirmed on Thursday that 7 personnel from an urban health center posted at Mangor Hill in Vasco had contracted the infection. The Supreme Court on Friday asked private hospitals whether they are ready to provide treatment to COVID-19 infected patients at the charges prescribed under the government's Ayushman Bharat scheme. The Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is aimed at providing health cover to poor and vulnerable people in the country. A bench headed by Chief Justice said that the Supreme Court is not asking all private hospitals to treat a certain number of patients for free, but the bench said that it is asking those private hospitals which have been given land at concessional rates by the government to treat a certain number of patients for free. Panicked after one of them tested positive for COVID-19, inmates of a quarantine center in Bihar on Thursday blocked a road demanding to go home and attacked government officials and policemen when they tried to intervene. Over 5 officials were injured when migrant workers under institutional quarantine allegedly pelted stones at them. The migrants demanded that they be allowed to go home after one of the inmates tested positive for coronavirus. But the administration did not allow the protesting migrants to return home as their quarantine period was not over yet. According to a report carried out by Worldwide Fund of Nature in India, there has been a significant increase in poaching of wild animals during the lockdown. This is not restricted to any geographical region or state or to any specific wildlife area. The report notes that the highest increase in poaching was reported to be of ungulates mainly for their meat, and the percentage jumped from nearly 22% to 44% during the lockdown period. The second group, which showed a marked increase, was poaching of small mammals including hares, porcupines, pangolins, squirrels, civets, monkeys, and wild cats. As quoted in the Indian Express, Saket Badola, lead author of the report, says that they feel that this increase is because more people venture into forests to hunt for local consumption. Not because lack of food, he says, as the government has taken care of that, but maybe to supplement meals with the meat. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. You were listening to Daily Coronavirus Updates on The Wire. We will see you tomorrow. Until then, stay safe.